Hello. Today we're gonna be talking about how to create brand new calendar and how to customize them, how to make a brand new appointment inside our CRM system. And now let's get started. As you can see, we are in the calendars tab. Under here, we can make adjustments to our existing appointments, or we can make a brand new appointments as well. As you can see, we have monthly view, weekly view, and also daily view. So if you go back to monthly, as you can see a couple of appointments. If you click on appointment, you can see the more details, such as the name of the appointment, name of the date and time. You can see the appointment owner, and you can see the contact for the specific appointment, and you can also see the details for this as well. You can see the notes if there's any. You can see who booked it. If it's optional, if you put any notes before you made this appointment, you will see them under here. If you want to make changes to the specific appointment, we can click on edit here, and we can edit the appointment. And everything is done, we can save the appointment, or we can just delete it if you want to delete the whole appointment. All right, so if you see on the right side, we have the mini handy calendar. This is for ease of access to use. And below that, we have the users and the calendars. So inside our CRM system, we can create unlimited calendars. And inside those unlimited calendars, you can put unlimited users. Okay, so what we can use for multiple calendars, like if you want to categorize the teams inside your company. For example, if you want to make a brand new calendar for just your sales team, or if you want to put a what you might call a brand new calendar for a marketing team. So if you want to categorize them, let's just say you made a whole new calendar just for sales team, and you're just gonna make a what you might call when you make a new calendar, you're just gonna name it for sales team under here. After creating it, you're gonna select it. In this case, I just select client appointments. After selecting it, you're gonna go to users, and you're gonna be adding users for this specific calendar. In this case, right now, I have only Kevin, right? So after edit it, everybody that will put under users will be able to see this specific calendar. In order to put a brand new appointment, we can do from the top right. And after that, we can click on plus new. And under that, we can create our who this is going to be appointment for, the name, the calendar, appointment title, which team member is going to be engaging with this contact, right? And lastly, with date and time. And you're going to be choosing the contacts. And after choosing the contacts, you can click on book appointment. And that will be it. And that will update our whole calendar dashboard. All right, so this sums up the how to create new appointments, how to customize them, how to edit them inside the CRM system. Thank you for listening.